Hello everyone, it's me Khurram for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the solution at your home for the removal of the acne scars from your skin. So for this solution, I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and our last and the third part, it would be related with the procedure where I will let you know how you can make it and how to apply on your skin. So we are moving forward to our part 1 where I will let you know some benefits of the ingredients. Another important remedy for treating scars is the blend of the turmeric and the aloe vera gel. While turmeric works as anti-inflammatory and antiseptic agent, the aloe vera gel boosts collagen production around the scar's tissue. A 2016 clinical trial published in Annals of the Plastic Surgery confirmed that topical application of the aloe vera gel increased wound construction and decreased the scar tissues in rats. Therefore, its regular application may help improve the elasticity of the skin and diminish scars in the human as well. That was first part of the video where I have shared some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are moving to our second part of the video where I will share with you the quantity and the ingredients. So for this solution, we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the organic turmeric powder, and number two, we have needed the aloe vera gel. So guys, now we are talking about the quantity what we have needed for solution. For our first ingredients, organic turmeric powder, we have needed 1 teaspoon, and for our second ingredients, aloe vera gel, we have needed 1 tablespoon. That was our second part of the video where I have shared with you the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are moving forward to our third part of the video where I will share with you the process, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is single step treatment. Apply a mix of turmeric and aloe vera to the scars daily. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step. Number one, mix 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of the fresh aloe vera gel until you get a uniform paste. If you have an aloe plant, you can buy fresh aloe vera leaves. Number 2, smear the thick layer of paste to your scars and leave it on for 15 minutes. Number 3, revert the paste with a few drops of water and massage the scarred area for 5 minutes. Number 4, rinse off the paste with the water and pat your skin dry. This was the easy and simple procedure to make the solution at home for the removal of the acne scars. Now I'm going to suggest you, if you want to have a better result, you may apply this solution at your skin on the daily basis until you feel the scars is going out. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other but interesting solution for you. Till that time, take care.